So we locate our scrub brush and our sink, and we remove watches and rings, and we begin by turning the water on and getting a nice warm water temperature. So we begin by washing our hands and, up to above here, hands and arms and wrists. All right. This nail taking thing, cleaning under some fungal areas, you kind of want to do it under the water and just get that stuff rinsed right away as soon as you get it, right? Okay, so I'm going to do that to all my fingers. All right, you start here, and this is where you would begin timing if you're doing a time scrub. Most scrub sinks have a clock nearby. You do one whole hand before you go on to the other hand. Right? Okay. So I like to start on this surface of the index finger, and then that surface. So I've got all four planes of this finger, and now I do this in between part. You kind of see how it all just chains together. There's a pattern really you can do your whole arm. It's starting here, and that gets you up to the elbow, and I guess that's kind of what we're showing you. Okay, so now I've got all four fingers. I'm totally scrubbed from here to here. I'm going to start my hand right here. I ended up on this plane of that finger, so I'm going to start doing my hand on this plane. But I just scrub it a lot, moving slowly across the palm until I get to this surface of the hand. And then I do my thumb. That plane, that plane. And it's a little bit redundant, but I do here again just because I'm calling this plane of the palm, the lateral plane of the palm. Does that make sense? There, so I started here like in one continuous pattern. I got around all my fingers and around my whole hand and ended here. And so now I'm going to go down to my wrist. The arm you don't have to scrub as long as the hand. If you notice, I think it says 30 seconds. So you see how I'm kind of making a circle one way, making a circle the other way, making a circle the other way, and I really end up doing more like 4 strips instead of 3 or 4 or whatever, or 3 or 2. And for a timed hand scrub, it says if your fingers or any part of your scrub hand touches something, that you have to do it for another minute. The way I was taught, and I think maybe a better rule, it's maybe beyond the regulations, is to start all over from there down. Does that make sense? So if I contaminate here, I'm going to start scrubbing my thumb and do everything again. Now I keep my hands up, let everything drip off my wrists, and I am done scrubbing.